Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. Are you struggling to keep up with customer queries and need a smarter way to manage them? Say hello to Zendesk, the all-in-one tool that can change your customer service. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you what is Zendesk, uses of Zendesk, its key features, and the most pro tips to handle customer tickets like a pro. So keep watching this video till the end. So here we will start with the today's topic, what is Zendesk. So Zendesk is one of the most popular customer service platform out there in the market. So I'm going to cover what is Zendesk, how it can be helpful for your business, its key feature, and I'll give you some pro tips on using it like an expert. So if you are looking for streamline your customer support and boost your efficiency, keep watching. So what is Zendesk? So what exactly is Zendesk? Zendesk is a cloud-based customer service software that helps businesses manage customer support, its requests across various channels like email, then chat system, phone, then social media, and many more useful channels for Zendesk. It's designed to improve customer interaction by providing a unified platform for managing tickets, tracking issue, and responding quickly to customers. So what are the uses of Zendesk? So basically, Zendesk is used by companies of all the sizes, mid, small, large scales, from startup to large enterprises. It's primarily used for customer support, managing customer inquiries, issues, and feedback efficiently, then ticket management, organizing and tracking requests to ensure no customer is left behind. Then third one is live chat and messaging, offering real-time assistance through chat and messaging platform. Then fourth one is when help center and knowledge base, allowing all the customers to self-serve with articles and question and answer. Then analytics and reporting, gaining insight into customer interaction and improve support strategies. These are all the uses of Zendesk ticketing system. Then now we will go forward and see what are the its key features of Zendesk. So basically, if we talk about its key feature that Zendesk makes stand out. So first is omni channel support, then ticketing system, automations and triggers, then Zendesk guide, then reports and analytics, then Zendesk chat and messaging. So overall, like omni channel support is been like Zendesk integrates with email, live chat, social media, and phone system, so you can track and respond to all customers interaction in at one place. Then ticketing system, Zendesk's powerful ticketing system helps organize customer inquiries, assign tickets to right team members, and track progress. Then automation and triggers, within the automation, in this automation feature, Zendesk allows you to set up triggers for common actions such as auto assigning tickets or sending follow up emails. Then the next one is when Zendesk guide. So this is a Zendesk knowledge based tool that lets you build help centers and articles, making it easier for customer to find answer themselves. Then reports and analytics. So Zendesk provides detailed reports and analytics to track key performance metrics like response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction. Then sixth one is when Zendesk chat and messaging. So this feature lets you interact with customers in real time via live chat or messaging platforms, reducing resolution time and improving customer satisfactions. So we will move forward to the last and one of the very important point of this video: how to use Zendesk like a pro. Now let's talk about some pro tips for using Zendesk like an expert. Set up custom views. Create custom views for your support agents so they can easily prioritize tickets based on urgency, issue type, or a customer status. Then use macros. Macros are pre-written responses that help speed up repetitive tasks. Customize macros to automate responses to common queries. Integrate with other tools. Take advantage of Zendesk integration with apps like Slack, Salesforce, or Shopify, so you can pull up data and streamline communication across your businesses. Then use automation rules. Set up automation and triggers to streamline your workflow. For example, you can create a trigger to automatically escalate a high priority ticket to a manager. Then a customer satisfaction survey. Send out satisfaction surveys after resolving tickets to gather valuable feedback from users. This helps you continuously improvement in your support system. Then leverage Zendesk AI. Zendesk answers Zendesk answer bot uses AI to help customer find answers instantly, reducing workload on your support team. So this is all about Zendesk. Hope you understand the what is Zendesk, its uses of Zendesk, its key feature of Zendesk. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. I am going to coming with one more good technical video, so keep watching, keep subscribing, keep motivating to my channels. Thank you so much friends.